Leaders, have you ever wondered how to create more buy-in breakthroughs with your teachers? Well, I can tell you from experience as a principal myself and training principals all over North America, our usual methods are these. We try to conference them into breakthroughs. We send them to conferences to listen to speakers. We hope to TED Talk them through breakthroughs. We hope to PD them through breakthroughs. But the bottom line is this: those things, while valuable, at best they're only going to produce epiphanies. Moments of stark awareness where we realize we have to make a change. A real breakthrough is born of action. The bridge between epiphany and breakthrough is the work. And so the job of the school leader is to create the conditions for buy-in breakthrough. And those conditions involve providing the resources and support for your stakeholders to engage in the work, get new results, and have their breakthroughs based on that progress.